This bill is set down for committee stage next sitting day. Call on Government Order of the Day number 5.
Juries, Jury Service and Protection of Particulars of Jury List Information Amendment Bill, second reading.
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr Speaker, I move that the Juries, Jury Service and Protection of Particulars of Jury List Information Amendment Bill be now read a second time. The bill amends the Juries Act 1981. The bill ensures that people who have been sentenced to home detention for a period of 3 months or more within the previous 5 years cannot serve on a jury. It requires a person serving a sentence of less than 3 months home detention be deferred or excused from jury service if they are summoned while serving their sentence, and ensures that the registrar may permanently excuse people from jury service if they meet certain criteria. The bill also allows for the address details of jurors to be removed from the jury panel and put onto a separate document that can only be viewed by eligible people. This ensures privacy and security for potential jurors. I would like to commend the Law and Order Committee for its thorough consideration of the bill and for the sensible amendments it has proposed. The committee received 3 written submissions on the bill and heard 2 oral submissions. The committee also asked for additional advice from relevant parties in relation to the amendment allowing people aged 65 years and over to be granted a permanent excusal from jury service on written request. The committee considered this advice when deciding whether the bill should be amended. I note that some submitters, particularly the Human Rights Commission, were concerned about the clause allowing permanent excusals for those aged 65 years and over. The Human Rights Commission submitted that allowing people aged 65 years and over to apply and be granted a permanent excusal from jury service was against the New Zealand Bill of Rights Act and is ageist. The committee considered the Human Rights Commission's concerns and the majority did not agree with them. The bill responds to the actual circumstances of those aged 65 years and over and is an answer to thousands of requests received by my office and the Ministry of Justice from members of the public in that age group requesting permanent excusals. It recognises that people aged 65 and over have contributed to society for many years and deserve to be recognised for this contribution. Currently, people aged 65 years and over can apply for an excusal as of right each time they are summoned for jury service. The bill simply extends this right and allows those that request a permanent excusal from jury service to be granted one. This is another benefit for people aged 65 years and over and can be likened to universal superannuation and the Super Gold Card or transport discounts available to this age group. I strongly believe that there should not be an upper age limit for jury service and that people aged 65 years and over are a valuable resource to this country and should have the ability to discharge their duties as a juror if they wish. All people eligible to serve on the jury are actively encouraged to participate through the court's advertising campaign. The bill also responds to concerns surrounding access to juror address and details and recognises that these details should be protected. The bill only allows certain eligible people to view the protected address details. As introduced, the bill defined constables as eligible people who could view the protected particulars. The committee recommended an amendment to this clause by considering a recommendation in a submission. The amendment ensures that police employees who are personally connected to the facts of the case, a party, witness or prospective witness in proceedings are not able to view the protected particulars. The bill also ensures contempt of court penalties are available where eligible people allow the protected particulars to be viewed or copied by someone ineligible. The bill recognises that a fundamental concept of the law is the right to a fair trial. To ensure that people who represent themselves in court are able to exercise their right to challenge potential jurors, the bill allows a barrister or solicitor to be appointed by the court to exercise this right on their behalf and allows the barrister or solicitor appointed to view the protected particulars. By talking with a self-represented litigant, the barrister or solicitor will be able to determine geographical challenges without revealing the potential juror's protected address information. The bill's purpose is to protect the integrity of the jury system enhance the administration of the jury system and ensure jurors' privacy and security is protected. Mr Speaker, I commend this bill to the House.
The question is that the motion be agreed to.
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Phil